Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, last class, what we have completed, they will do binary transformation. They asked to do using bilinear means first you can write their bilinear form they will do. You do the matrix form. That matrix you can do. No. Quadratic form they will do. You change to matrix. Then from matrix using orthogonal transformation, you write diagonalization. After that, canonical form means what? That matrix, the equation will stand only in quadratic equation square degree, second degree terms only. Then that should be coefficients are the eigenvalues. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
Following problems you can try. Reduce the quadratic form to the canonical form using the orthogonal transformation. All problems. This 2, 3 problems. Slow down and try it. Right. I think same sum we done, I think so. Correct? Same problem we completed, huh? Hello? Same problem we completed, huh? Last class.
No, sir, it was a bit
No,
different.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you do the fifth sum in the assignment, sir?
What?
The fifth sum of the assignment.
This is, huh?
No, sir, I'm asking, can you do that sum, sir, please?
Okay.
Sir,
What is
sir, he's asking the assignment you gave. Can you solve the fifth question for that of
what is
that,
the
please?
question? Read actually read it.
Okay, sir. Wait just a second.
Sir, can you please get a get to the left so that we can see the question?
Sir, can you please move a little?
Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. Can I speak the question now?
Read.
Reduce the quadratic form by an orthogonal reduction. Q
Ah.
equals to 6x square plus 3y square
Ah.
plus 3z square
Hmm.
minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz to conical form to
Canonical form.
canonical form and hence find its nature, rank, index, and signature.
Oh, that I will tell you rank now. Today I will do. Up to you got quadratic form, no? You got
Yes, sir.
up to nature. I will tell you now. Today class I will complete. Don't worry. Nature of the quadratic I will complete today. You got up to quadratic means you can don't worry. Up to canonical form you will get. You will get what are the eigenvalues into that is what eigenvalues into you can write actually y1, y2, y3 like this. After that I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay. Still
Okay,
if
sir.
you don't get, then later I will give you help you. Actually, their x, y, z means what x you can take 1, x1, x2, x3 like this. Y is what 2, z is 3 like this. X1, x2, x3 like this. Like it's treated you can attack.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please explain the quadratic form, the reduction from quadratic form to canonical form once more? I am having doubts in that.
This you will get actually from this you can write the matrix. You can able to 1 element, 2 element, 3 element. This 1 2 2 1 half of you can take. 2 3 3 2 half of you can take. 3 1 1 3 you can take half of. Then fill the form. Then you can orthogonal normalization. What is the quadratic form means what? You will get only diagonal elements only stands actually. That is called canonical form. That is also quadratic form only. Canonical form meaning is what? Only diagonal elements only stands, remaining are zeros. Only second degree only. That is called canonical form.
Got it, sir.
Yes. That is also quadratic only. That is special case. Only stands only diagonal elements. D1, y1 square, D2, y2 square, D3, y4 square. Like this you will get actually. No elements, no other elements will be present. That is called canonical form.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Right. Okay. You can try at home at least these problems. quadratic form is you know x dash ax. And suppose A order is nth order means what? Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, so on, lambda n are the eigenvalues. Now, case 1. You write clearly, quadratic form is said to be positive definite. If quadratic form said to be positive definite means what? How can you give? Then all eigenvalues are positive and non-zero. How can you write? If quadratic form is said to be positive definite means how you will write? All eigenvalues are positive and non-zero. There is no zero value. Reaching or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Right. Next, second. If quadratic form is, so means what? If you have three values means what? Eigenvalues. Eigenvalues all will get positive. 1, 2, 3. There is no zero story. Or 2, 3, 4, or 1, 1, 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 6 by 7 like this. Something will get all are positive. But all are is what? Non-zero. Second, if quadratic form is said to be negative definite. Quadratic form is said to be what? Negative definite. Then all eigenvalues are non-zero and all are negative and non-zero. All eigenvalues are negative and non-zero. So what will get? Minus lambda 1, minus lambda 2, minus lambda 3, minus lambda 4 like this you will get. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. Third. Positive semi-definite. If a quadratic form is said to be positive definite, written, what written, tell me? No voice coming. I'm not able to hear
Sir,
you.
if a quadratic form is said to be positive semi-definite,
Then at least one eigenvalue is 0 and remaining are positive.
So can you repeat once more?
At least one eigenvalue will be 0, remaining are positive. Means what? Here zeros also allowed and remainings are positive. 1 may be 0, 2 may be 0, 1 should be positive. Lambda 1, 0, 0 like this. 3 cannot be 0 actually. That is different story. Reaching or not? Any problem?
No, sir.
Now, next. Negative semi-definite. A quadratic form is said to be negative semi-definite. There exists at least one eigenvalue is 0 and remaining all are negative.
Sir, can you repeat?
If a quadratic form is said to be negative semi-definite, at least there exists one zero eigenvalue and remaining are negative. That is, remaining eigenvalues are negative. That is meaning. Means what? At least 1 0, remaining are negative. Means what? Semi-definite. Fully positive definite means what? All are non-zero and positive. Fully negative means what? All are negative and non-zero. Positive semi-definite means what? Maybe zeros allowed, remaining are positive. Negative semi-definite means what? Maybe zeros allowed and remaining are negative. Now, what you completed? Positive definite, negative definite, positive semi-definite, negative semi-definite. Now we can write indefinite. Indefinite means what? The above four rules are fails means what you can say indefinite. Maybe negative, positive, you get 0, negative, positive. Like this means what you can say indefinite. The combination of positive, negative comes means what you can say indefinite. Correct? Huh? So if the fail all above 4 cases means what you can say indefinite. Or is a combination of negative, positive you will get. Now, previous problem you can tell actually. Now 2 problems are given homework, you know. What are the eigenvalues I am told actually there written on the board. 2 homework problems are given, you know.
So for the first question, there were -2, 3, and 6.
So what is the nature of the quadratic form? Now tell me, seeing the eigenvalues.
Sir,
There minus
indefinite.
and positive, plus and
Indefinite.
positive is there. So quadratic form nature is what?
Indefinite, sir.
Very good. Second question.
So for second question, I did not note the eigenvalues.
0, 3, 6 is something I given, I think so.
So 0, 3, and 6.
Wait, what value I given? I forgot.
Then it was positive semi-definite.
Semi-definite. Positive semi-definite.
Positive semi-definite.
Positive semi-definite. Now clear. Correct? Huh? Suppose eigenvalues are 1, 2, 3. What is this nature of the quadratic form?
Positive definite.
Positive definite.
Positive definite.
Positive definite, no positive indefinite. 0, 5, 6.
Positive semi-definite.
0, 0, 6.
Positive semi-definite.
Positive semi-definite.
-4, -5, -6.
Negative semi-negative. Semi-definite.
Negative definite.
No semi. Why semi?
Negative definite.
-6, 0, -5.
Negative semi-definite.
Negative semi-definite.
Indefinite.
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 Indefinite, sir.
Yeah. So clear. Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Clear? Up to here clear? And actually, they may ask one more question actually, MCQ. They will give the form, the quadratic form something. Immediately they will ask how to find the nature of the quadratic. Is it and do, don't do the eigenvalues. That is different stories there, I will tell you. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
But that is another way. We don't see the eigenvalue. What are the eigenvalue? But without seeing eigenvalue also, you have to trace. Clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Without seeing also, you have to trace what is it. Okay, that I will tell you. Now time you can note down. Suppose, next. Now, up to that question, assignment question, you can able to attack the nature, you can tell. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Next is what is there in that inside? Signature and rank and index. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose quadratic form x dash a x, if you are able to write lambda 1 x1 square, lambda 2 x2 square, so on, lambda n xn square. That is what canonical form. That is also quadratic formula I said. Correct? Huh? Once if you are able to transform this, from this I can tell what is the rank, what is the signature, what is the index. Okay. Suppose XA, X dash AX means if you write means what? Lambda 1 fine. Lambda 1 x1 square, lambda 2 xn square. Suppose if we have this equation, will have R terms means what? Rank is R. Reaching or not?
So can you repeat?
This equation will have R terms means what? Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, x3 square. Remaining maybe 0 means what? Rank is what? And if you want, I want to tell you how many non-zero eigenvalues that you can say rank. Don't see the plus minus. If value is there, count as a rank. Getting or not? Clear?
No, sir.
No. See, x dash ax I transformed, sir, actually. X dash ax, suppose 3 by 3 means what? 3 x1 square, x2 square, x3 square I'll get, okay?
Yes, sir.
How many terms are there? Is 3 terms there means what you can take 3 square. Suppose my 1 to 0. So after doing what I will get actually x1 square, 2x2 square, 0 it won't come. Correct? Now how many terms are there?
2, sir.
2. Now rank is 2.
Oh, okay. Got it, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't see plus and minus. What I am telling here, how many non-zero eigenvalues are there? That is rank. If you want,
Okay, sir.
blindly remember. Because my x dash ax I am changing into canonical form. In canonical form, only stands what? Eigenvalues. Reaching or not?
Got it, sir.
Got it.
Or some people maybe tell D1 x1 square, D2 x2 square, D3 like this. I am giving lambda lambda in our case only lambda only will come. Correct? How many non-zero numbers? Don't worry about plus minus. It's called rank. Actually, rank means what? That the determinant cannot be zero. That determinant are the otherwise. Simply if you tell how many non-zero rows are there, you will tell rank. Another definition is there. Mathematical definition that is different. You are done. I think it's a plus 2 level rank. Complete or number below 0 to the right hand number. Usually you calculate how many non-zero rows. Non-zero rows you can tell rank of that. Remember or not? Have you complete done or not in plus 2 syllabus? State board plus 2 here is there, but Andhra I forget, and when I studied I don't know. But CBS also is the rank, I think plus 1 and plus 2. Okay. Now rank means what you will say?
Number
How
of
many
non-zero
non-zero?
eigenvalues.
How many non-zero numbers? Forget about eigenvalues also. This you may get D1 also. But normally in our stage eigenvalues only here. Now, index. Always this shape only. Index means what? Number of positive terms. Number of positive terms. Suppose now I am writing equation C. X1 square minus 2x2 square 3x3 square. Correct? Now what is the rank? Tell me. 3.
So
Now
rank
what
is
is
3.
the index?
2.
2. So difference understanding or not? Now clear or not? Now nature is what?
Indefinite.
Nature of,
Indefinite, sir.
So one by one you are getting or not? Now clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Sir, can you
Am I
tell
confusing
index
lot?
No, sir.
So
No, sir.
nature of the quadratic is different. How many positive terms, how many negative terms, all are positive, all are negative. So positive with 0 means semi-positive, negative with all, negative with 0 means semi-definite, semi-negative definite. If everything cancel means what? Indefinite. That is nature. After that, rank means what? How many non-zero terms are standing in quadratic form? When this second degree elements you can you don't have x1, x2, from there you don't tell. That equation will contain only second degree elements, x1 square, x2 square, xn square. Then you can count how many numbers are there, that is rank. Then index means what? In that how many are positive. Correct, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Suppose, if I clear now,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I
Clear.
did not understood index.
index we call actually S. Rank is called R. Now, signature is equal to
Sir,
2s minus r. Signature is equal to what? Always 2s minus r. Yes?
sir, can you explain index once more?
What?
Can you explain index once more?
Index means how many positive terms in that equation.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
Now clear? Rank means what? How many non-zero terms are that is rank. How many positive terms are there? Index. Signature is what? Index we call S, rank we call R. Signature is equal to what? 2s minus r. Sir, okay, yeah. Any problem?
Got it, sir.
Shall I work now?
Yes, sir.
Now we are familiar about nature of the quadratic form. Nature of the quadratic form, what is? How can you say nature of the quadratic form? Tell me. If x dash ax, if you are able to write lambda 1 x1 square, lambda 2 x square, lambda 3 x square means what? Nature of the quadratic, how can you say? How can you say? Nature of the quadratic, how many chances are the cases are there? Positive, definite, negative, definite, positive, semi.
Sir, 5 cases.
Definite,
5.
indefinite. Then positive, definite means what you will write?
All eigenvalues are
All eigenvalues are positive.
And
Non-zero.
that also you should
Non-zero.
mention. Say, negative, definite means
Non-zero and all
Non-zero
negative.
and negative.
all are negative. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
And positive, semi-definite means
at least one
one is
eigenvalue
zero,
is
rest
0
are
and
positive.
at
remaining are
least
positive.
one. Don't say two. One means maybe you get two also allowed. At least one eigenvalue is 0 and remain are
Positive.
positive. Maybe 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1 like this. Correct? Negative, semi-definite.
Sir, at least one is zero and rest are negative.
Rest are negative.
Very good. Nice. Then indefinite means what? If the fail above all 4 cases means what? Indefinite. Maybe negative, positive, 0, negative, positive. Everything will chances are there. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? After
No.
that, suppose if you write x dash ax is equal to transform to canonical form. Canonical form is what? It will stand only in second degree terms. x1 square, x2 square, x3 square. That coefficients you can check. Then rank, how can you say?
Sir, the non-zero.
How many
Terms.
non-zero terms
Number
are
of
there?
non-zero eigenvalues.
Okay, not terms. Maybe now we deal only eigenvalues only here. Okay. Then what I told next? Index.
Sir, index.
Index
Number of
means
positive
what?
terms. Number of positive terms.
Positive terms in that x dash ax shape. That is what x dash ax. How I am writing? d1 x1 square. That second degree equation only. From quadratic we cannot say. Correct? That is also quadratic. That quadratic is what changed to canonical form. From canonical only we can decide. Signature. Sorry. Index. Now signature is what?
2s minus r.
2s minus r. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Now assignment question can you able to do or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
before that, some people they are submitted. How they are submitted? Okay, no problem.
Sir, I had done
Sir,
only
they
till
have
4.
not completed the question number 5 and then submitted.
Okay.
Sir, I had done only till 4, but to respect the deadline, I submitted it.
No. I told you no. This time I will give time actually.
Yes, sir. I
Again,
had
you can
submitted
submit. No
before
problem. Those
you
are not
told us.
completed. You can submit. Now after come this today by again take another 2 days. You can submit all of you. After that only I will close. Still I will giving 2 days. What is today actually?
Friday, sir.
Friday, one.
Eighth.
Friday what today? What is today, sir? Friday, one.
Yes, sir.
It's
Friday.
Friday.
Sir, we can give on Monday.
Can you submit by Sunday night?
Yes, sir.
Monday.
Submission.
Okay, by Sunday I can complete all of you.
Okay.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
I will change the deadline up to Sunday. After that we can see if. But complete assignment. Internal marks are very, very important. Don't spoil the internal marks. 50 marks are inside internal marks.
Yes, sir.
After that I will decide late submission how many marks I have to give. Okay. Now we see.
Alan, please mute yourself.
So they are asking, giving the quadratic form, they are chance to transform to using orthogonal transformation. they are asking to do the canonical form. Once if you get the canonical form, you may get like this. It's already complete like this. So. Now from this you see this is canonical form, diagonalization form. Okay. Why I will write actually. Now from this you can say nature of the quadratic form is what? This quadratic form nature is what?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive definite.
Definite. Then what is the rank?
3.
3.
3, sir.
Index?
3.
3.
Signature?
3.
3.
3, sir.
Now we are master in this correct? Discuss the nature of the quadratic form. First you should find eigenvalues, but I told you another way is there how to attack. That still I have not explained. Only quadratic form is what you can do. But big question, 16 mark question, quadratic form, nature of the quadratic form, rank, everything is you have to know it. But from eigenvalue I can tell you, once if I know eigenvalue I can attack. Now this how you will write. A11 is what?
10.
10.
A22,
2.
A33,
5.
5.
5. Now this is what? 1, 3, 2, 1. No, 3, 1. This is 1, 2. A12 is
Minus
equal to
2. Minus 2.
A21 is equal to what? Minus 4 by 2 minus 2. Delta. A31, A13 is equal to minus 10. This is
Minus 1.
A23 is equal to A32 is equal to
3.
the same question, assignment question, sir. Different question, see. Somebody told x square, y square, z square like this. Same question or different?
Different.
Okay. This problem can complete in some 5 minutes.
Sir, what is the second last term of the equation? I can't see.
Yes. Same question, huh?
No, sir. What is the second last term of the equation given?
Minus
10.
10.
Minus 10x.
Minus 10.
Minus
5
10
minutes.
zx.
Take
Okay,
what will
thank you.
come as this.
Yes, minus 10.
are completed. What are the eigenvalues? At least if you
Just a
tell
minute.
eigenvalues enough, only coordinates only is telling you, but you can do the problem fully, then you can find signature and everything for this problem. But at least the eigenvalues are what?
Sir, is the determinant coming out to be 0?
Yes, tell me.
0.
The
What
determinant
are the
of 0.
eigenvalues?
Sir, finding. Just a minute.
Work out.
It's -7, 3 and 7.
Eigenvalues are 0, 3, 14. There is no constant, I think, so determinant is 0. Correct?
Yes, sir. 0, 3, and 14.
Now, what are the nature of the quadratic form is what?
Positive.
Huh?
So positive semi-definite.
It is semi-definite.
So, positive semi-definite. Rank?
3.
2.
2.
2, sir.
What I want to take? 2 or 3?
2, sir.
2,
sir.
2. Then index?
2, sir.
2.
Signature?
2.
2.
2. Clear all of you now?
Clear, sir.
You can able to do or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, sir.
Okay, now come on. Actually, without expand also I can tell nature of the quadratic form. So in the matrix itself, seeing the matrix itself. Suppose if the quadratic form given, bilinear form, this quadratic, this you can change means what anyway symmetric matrix. How you will write means I will tell you. Wait. Okay, rub off here. So you can able to do the problems there actually. Correct? Take any Veerarajan book is with you. Any take 2-3 problems, you can do it yourself. Nature, signature, everything. But without expanding how to attack, I will tell. Only nature I can tell. But index like this I can't tell. Well, nature I can tell. Positive definite, positive semi-definite, that is what? Negative definite, positive semi-definite, positive, negative definite, indefinite. That stage I can tell. At least 1 mark if they ask only nature of quadratic means. If they ask signature rank means what you have to find out. No escape. At least up to eigenvalues you have to find out. Correct? Huh? Suppose x dash is I am writing like this. Actually, that is normal by starting bilinear form. A11, A22, A3, not canonical form. Don't confuse. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Suppose if it is 3 by 3. Suppose one matrix. Now actually see principal determinants here like D1 is equal to what? A11. D2 is equal to what? Principal determinants actually minus. Only A11 with A11 you can start. D2 is equal to what? D3 is what? This 3 by 3. Sorry. A11 not 22. 2 1, 2, 2. We have only D1, D2, D3. Suppose you have fourth order means what again you can start with A11. Fourth order means what you may get actually 16 third orders, but this third order only can take. Starting with the A11, that fellow only can take. D3. Now from this, how I will tell you is what? It's called minors.
Yes, sir.
Minor means I don't bother about plus minus. This determinant I will find out. But cofactor means what? Minus 1 power I plus j into mi is a formula. Correct? Plus minus plus minus. Okay, fine. Now, how I will say means what? If positive definite means what? That is quadratic form. Nature of the quadratic form positive definite means.
Sir, I had one question.
Yes.
Sir, D3 will basically be the determinant of the matrix, right?
Yes.
Got it.
Suppose 4 by 4 means what you will get? D3 how you will take? With A11 only you can
then
take.
the
Because
minus.
you will have 16 third orders you will get. Now we see. Here also, how many second orders I will get actually? This is 1 second order. Suppose if leave this one, leave this one. Say 9th order, second orders will get or not?
Yes, sir.
But with one element, first only can take, first minor, D11 is it. So it's what principal minors they will tell. They will tell principal minors. Where D1, D2, D3 is what? Now, right. If quadratic form said to be positive definite means what? All di is greater than 0. All di is greater than 0. So, if you check means what these three values, no need to find actually eigenvalues, a lot of things actually. Only nature if they ask means what if you check means D1, D2, D3 values, all are positive means you can say this is positive different. But you don't know what are the eigenvalues. You can say nature you can able to tell, okay, this fellow can behave like this. But who is that fellow actually you don't know.
So this method will only work when we're finding nature, right?
Yes, 1 mark, 2 marks is the objective type is direct. Only nature of quadratic is attack this. No need to find eigenvalues. Previous question I asked only nature of the quadratic. Then no need to do orthogonal transformation again, quadratic canonical form not required. If they ask me, they insist you can go by that only that way. Just they ask me what 1 mark question is why time waste. Now negative definite means minus 1 power I di is greater than 0. Means what? Odd d's are negative, even d's are positive. Getting or not? Minus 1 power 1 is what? Negative. Minus 1 square is what? Minus 1 square is what?
Positive, sir. 1.
Minus 1 cube?
Negative again.
Minus 1 power 4, suppose D1, D2, 3, 4 is. Correct?
Positive, sir.
Yeah.
Positive.
So, but greater than 0, that you can keep in mind, there is no 0 term. There is no zeros.
0 term.
There is no 0 values. Correct? Values cannot be 0, just greater than I am telling. So, negative definite means what we get? R, D1, D3, D5, so on, odd numbers. N is odd means what? Less than 0. Then even is what? D2, D4, D6, D8 is what? Greater than 0. Any problem?
No, sir.
Here odd d's are negative, Even D's are positive, even minors. Okay, sir. Any problem? Now come on. What I completed positive definite, negative definite. Now positive semi-definite.
Sir, can you tell negative definite once more?
Negative definite means you will have odd minus of D is negative, even minus of D is positive. Suppose you have a D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 means what? Suppose 7 by 7th order. So D1, D3, D5, so odd minus 1 by 1. Then D3 means what? 3 by 3, 5 by 5, all are negative. But we have what? Only 3 by 3 only. 3 by 3 means what we get? D1, D3 is negative, D2 is positive. Odd minors are negative, even minor value is what? Positive. You can say negative definite. All minor values are positive means what you can say? Positive definite. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now slowly I will change this. Positive definite. Positive definite means what? All DI are greater than or equal to 0. The equality holds. Maybe some are 0, remaining all are positive. Any problem? DI is what? Greater than or equal to 0. So means what? Maybe say some minor values are 0, remaining all are positive. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next, negative semi-definite means what?
Sir, some are equal to 0, rest are smaller than 0.
What?
Rest are negative. Sir, some might be equal to
very
0.
good. DI is greater than or equal to 0. Means what? If some odd may be 0, negative. If odd means what? 0 and negative, then even means what? Positive or zeros. Correct? Less than. Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Negative semi-definite. Now indefinite means what? Above cases fail means what you can say? Indefinite. And the same way. Sir, okay? Hello?
Clear, sir.
Clear? Now we can do one problem at least directly without expansion. From this you can tell me. At least now can see previous problem itself. Previous problem what will be done? The S1, S2, S3 are done, you know. what all will get okay. Previous problem, what is you can tell what sum 0, 3, 14 I given. What is the value given? Previous one work I told you can do like this. Okay. Right. Discuss the nature of the quadratic form for following quadratic. Discuss the nature of quadratic form. Right. X1 square now discuss without expand. Tell me what are the values getting. Now you can matrix, you can write what is A11? Two. A12 is what? -1. A13 is what? 1. Then -1, 1. Then diagonal element is what? Sorry, this is 1. Then 2.
2,
Then
1, 1.
1. Then 3. Yeah, correct? Huh? First row if you fill means what? Immediately first column you can fix because symmetric. Second row fill means what? Immediately can second column. Correct? Huh? Now, without expand, you can see what is the nature. Now, who is A11? Sorry, D1,
1,
D2,
3, and 1, 1.
1, D3, find out D3 determinant. You can tell me.
Sir, -2.
-2. So, what you understand from this? What is the nature?
Indefinite.
Huh?
Indefinite. Indefinite.
Indefinite, sir.
Indefinite power. So, without expanding, also you can able to attack. So, by this first unit completed, I hope. to function of several variables. Now, y is equal to f of x means what? Who is the dependent function? Who is the independent function? Independent variable, sorry. Who is the dependent variable? Who is the independent variable? Sir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Who is the dependent variable? Who is the independent variable?
Sir, x is independent variable, y is dependent variable.
Okay. Now, x is what? Dependent, y is independent. Correct? Suppose if I write z is equal to f of xy. Who is the dependent variables? Who is the dependent variable, independent variable?
So Z is independent and X and Y are dependent.
Hey, z is independent.
Sorry. The reverse. Z is dependent and X and Y are independent.
Independent variables, correct? So, only single variable is what? In differentiation, which differentiation I will use? Already you studied partial differentiation, ordinary differentiation in +2 level. Single variable, which differentiation you will use? Okay. D by dx means what? Dou by dou x means what?
So there is partial difference.
Partial differentiation. See, when you will use partial differentiation means what? More than one variable means you can use partial differentiation. But while differentiating, which is the variable you are differentiating, that you can treat as a variable remaining are constant. Suppose if you take circle, you can say, what is the area of circle? What is the area of circle?
Pi r square.
Suppose I am increasing R, my area will increase or not?
Yes.
I am decreasing R, my area will decrease or not?
Yes, sir.
I think you have done a that's an approximation. If the area of balloon increases volume, then the increment like this del x, del y, del
Yes,
z,
sir.
done or not?
Yes, sir.
Errors and approximations you have done or not? Del y is the increment like this. Remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come on, take cylinder actually. What is the volume of the cylinder?
Pi r square H.
Suppose I am increasing only R, I am not touching H. Then what will happen? Volume increase or not?
Yes.
But how I will get? I will get very big, thin, thick cylinder. Like this I will get or not? Are you agree or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No. I am not disturbing the R. I am disturbing H only. I am increasing going on H. Then what I will get? The long cylinder I will get or not like this?
Yes, sir.
So, see, in this, if I increase R means what? I am not disturbing H, but it is so what? Partial differentiation. Only one variable only changing. I have two variables, but one is I am keeping constant, one is I am attacking. Correct? If I increase H means what? I am keeping R as a constant. So, in this case,
Sir, but can we say that volume depends on R and H both?
Yes, that's why. Two dependent variables actually.
Yes, sir. Got it.
That is independent, well, independent of volume is independent of R and H. But I am concentrating only R, I am concentrating means H I am not disturbed. Correct? H is constant or not?
Yes, sir.
But volume changing.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Correct or not? So I am treating as only one, but both are only variables. One variable moving means what? One variable I am copying. That keeping constant. That time I will use partial differentiation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes. Not only that. Ordinary differentiation means you use dy by dx like this. Partial differentiation means what? Dou u by dou x or dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou x dou y. These all are you know. Maybe you people are Corona batch, you went to school or I don't know actually. Plus one plus you went to school or not?
Online, sir.
No.
Sir, +2, no.
Plus one you went there, huh? Nice.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So basic thing, plus one is okay if you go okay well and good. Plus one only strong, but plus two studied well, huh? Only online from plus two you are online. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Dou square u, dou x, dou y. Correct? So you differentiate. I will come again. Lot of stories there. Before going that subject. Now I am taken for granted you people all are no partial differentiation. Clear? Now we can tell.
Can we just revise it once?
Yes. Now we can. U is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Dou u by dou x is what? Tell me.
2x by
2x. Dou u by dou x is what?
only for x we have to difference.
Sir, 2x plus y square plus z square.
U is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Dou u by dou x is what?
2x plus
2x plus with something will come. Y is constant, z is constant, and differentiate with respect to x alone. Then what will you get?
Sir, 2x,
2x,
dou
sir.
u by dou x.
2x only enough. Dou u by dou x
Oh.
is equal to 2x. This fellow 0, this fellow 0. Plus. Dou u by dou y.
2y.
2y.
2y. Dou u by dou z.
2z.
2z.
2z. Now come on. U is equal to x square, y square, z square. Carefully you can answer. That is x square plus y square plus z square. This is x square into y square into z square. Now tell me dou u by dou x is what?
2x y square.
So 2x y square z square.
Very good. That y square z square is a constant. Suppose if you
Yeah.
2x square means what? 2 you keep constant. So into a coefficients here. There plus means is vanish. Here we cannot be vanish. So dou u by dou x is what? Tell me. Dou u by dou y.
2y x square z square.
Very good. 2x square y z square can I write?
Yes, sir.
Dou u by dou z.
X square y square 2z.
Very good. So I can write 2x square y square z. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now on this story we start. Wait. Dou square u, dou x, dou y, how you will do? Second order. First one fellow you can differentiate. One answer you will get. Taking that answer you can differentiate. Which will you will do first?
X.
Sir, x.
X. Actually, partial differentiation as you like, you don't know because we are dealing with continuous function. How you will do? You will get one question. Maybe you will have in +1. I don't know actually. Z is equal to log of secant x plus cos y. Something is equal to prove that dou square u, dou z, dou x is equal to dou x, dou y is equal to dou square u, dou y, dou x. Prove that they will ask. Anyway, if you differentiate, same thing you will get. But how to differentiation is what very easy. You know anyone about Urdu language? How they will write? You know. Quran actually in Ramzan time they will study 30 chapters. 30 days they will complete 30 chapters with full fasting. So everything very good news is there. They will read lot of things are there in Quran actually. So how they will read, any idea? Suppose
From right to left,
From
yes, sir.
yes,
this
sir.
is our
Opposite.
put
From
type.
right to left, sir.
Normally we read like this. How they will start, they will open the last page.
Yes.
From here they will write. Any idea?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, not from below. We start from above.
Oh, sorry. Then my given wrong. Thank you, sir. From up only will start, not below.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, yeah. Up to now I given wrong because I have so many Muslims that nobody told me. But Quran, everything they will detail a lot of things in that. From here you will start, correct?
Yeah, right
Yes,
to
sir.
left.
Yes, come on now. Now partial differentiation is what? Friend of the Muslim actually. So you can differentiate from backside actually. First with respect to y you can do, then with respect to x you can do. As you like, don't do. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But according to your problem, how you will attack, you will get the answer, no problem. Because all functions are continuous, but it's not a correct procedure. From back side you can attack, like Urdu, how you will write from left to right. So partial differentiation is what? Friend of the Muslim. Correct? Now come on, tell me, do square u, do x, do y, how you write? First you can find do u by do y. What is do u by do y? What is do u by do y? From there.
2x square yz square
2x square.
yz square.
Now, taking this fellow with respect to x you can do. That is, what is the meaning? Dou y dou x of this fellow. That is equal to dou square u dou x dou y. So, with respect to x, what you will do? Tell me.
Sir, 4x
So
yz.
4x yz square
4x.
yz square.
Now, clear how to do partial differentiation? Sir, clear or not?
Sir, in dou u by dou y, will it not be x square 2y z square?
What? Yes,
Sir.
2 I am multiplying front. What is there? 2 into x square into y square. Also x square into 2y square. The same thing only. What is the problem?
Yeah, okay, sir, got it.
20 into 30 is equal to 30 into 20.
Oh, sir, I
Because
have
I
not
need
seen the
fraction.
square.
Mathematics is always fraction actually. When I am boy, I will feel my mathematics problem is my girlfriend. It's appeared very nicely. I will feel every time like this. I have so many girlfriends in maths. Every maths the problem is my girlfriend. So I want to show very beautiful. X square into 2y is what somewhat odd shape. So I want to show 2x square. Its appearance is good. So I want
Got
to
it,
do
sir.
like this. Always feel. I will feel with heart touch. Every problem if I touch, I will feel. So that is the maths. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Any problem? Clear?
No, sir. Yeah, clear.
Now come on. Now you can tell dou cube u, dou z, dou x, dou y. What you will do? Already dou square u, dou x, dou y completed. With that, with respect to z, you can do what is the answer?
8x,
6xyz
8
8xyz.
z. Now come on. Dou cube u, dou x square, dou y. How you will do? Tell me. First, with respect to who will come?
Sir 8yz
No. First, who will come with respect to who?
First with y only.
Very good, very good. Coming, and coming. Wait. Shall I rub off here? Clear?
So just a second.
Okay. Lot of things are there. That's why basic classes are very, very important. If you want go 10th nicely means what 9th standard is study well. If you want know mathematics and everything subject play strong means what +1 should be
Sir,
study properly.
please
Then +2
get to
should be
the
easy.
right side. I can't see.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm talking too much, I think so. Am I disturbing? Now okay?
No, sir.
Okay. Carry on. Just kidding, yeah.
Sir, what is the difference between regular differentiation and partial differentiation?
What?
What is the difference between regular differentiation and partial
That's
differentiation?
why ordinary differentiation means one variable. Partial differentiation means more than one variable, means partial fellow will come.
Okay. So in partial differentiation also we are finding slope only instead of the given curve.
What?
Partial differentiation also, like we will find the slope only instead of the curve if we differentiate
Yeah,
it.
differentiation is slope only, but remaining constant actually. More than one variable means what you will do? That same thing only, but remaining constant, but D means what? Only one variable means they are telling D. More than one variable, if you do with respect to X means what? Remaining like constant only. That is also differentiation. But that sense is what? You have more than variable, that is intention.
Okay.
So you are understanding while doing the problem what you will get. You have more than one variable is partial difference. That is seeing that symbol you will understand. I am doing more than one variable is I am getting partial like this. Tell me about.
Yes, sir, please.
Here 114 is there inside classroom. 2000 series 114. Balaji Sriya, Sri S Balaji. 114. No.
Yes, sir.
There, yes, yes. Sri S, acha. When did you join, sir, actually? When did you register, actually? Balaji, yes, 3S, 114.
Sir.
When did you register, actually? No. Okay. But every day we are giving absent, actually. Then that's
Hello, sir.
100 also there. Is there 100? What to Harish some pair tell actually. What to Harisha and some 100 or some number is there? $86.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, I am roll number 82. Sir, I had a power cut here, sir.
Okay. I am not giving any attendance now. I will give it take away.
No, I thought you were. I had a power cut here, actually.
Okay. Now we got it, huh? Now power has come.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, now,
Sir, what will be the pattern of the question paper? Cycle test 1.
Cycle test 1 is only MCQ. I think so. Still, I don't know. I will ask and tell you. GCR.
Okay.
I will open the exact time. On time, I will close. If you don't submit this, you will lose.
Okay, sir.
Question will be shuffle, answer will be shuffle. Maybe different questions also will come.
Will it be on Google Forms, sir?
Yes, you will get everything. Don't worry.
Okay.
That in the classroom I will post actually cycle test 1 like this. Exactly at 8 o'clock it will open. By 8:50 it will close. Okay, yeah. Sir, everyone there comes start. Mark of the beginning of second week, third week, I think second week, we are not started. We are going very slowly. Now, how will you find? First, you can find dou u by dou y. What is dou u by dou y?
Sir, is it 4yz square? The final answer. Final answer.
No, dou u by dou y tell first. Okay, yeah. Now, first, next what you will do? This fellow you can do with respect to x. So, then what you will get? 4x y z square. Then again this fellow you can do with respect to what? With respect to what? Huh?
X.
Yes. So,
4y.
Again, with respect to x, if you do, what you will get, tell me? If I ask dou power 4y, dou x cube, dou y, what is the answer, tell me?
0.
Vanish. Correct? Nice.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I
Tell
think
me.
in the question, I think there will be dou cube u divided by dou square x square dou y. Because we have a third order of the partial differentiation.
What?
So it's a third order of the partial differentiation. So the question will be a dou cube u divided by dou square x square dou
Dou
y.
x square, not dou square. Dou x square into dou y.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So that meaning is what actually, first we can do dou u by dou y. And once if you get the answer, you can do dou by dou x. So what is this? Dou square into dou x dou y. Once if you get this answer, again you can do this fellow, dou by dou x of this fellow. So this is sir, clear? Then I will stop here, sir. I've saturated actually. Okay, then I will stop. Come on, give attendance 71. Clear? Hello?
Yes,
sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I confusing lot?
No, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Come on. 71,
Yes, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73,
Present, sir.
74,
Present, sir.
75,
Present, sir.
76, 76, 77, 78,
Present, sir.
80.
Present, sir.
Sir, 79%.
Sorry, thank you. 80.
Present, sir.
81,
Present, sir.
82,
Present, sir.
83,
Present, sir.
84,
Present, sir.
85,
Present, sir.
86, 86 not there, I think, sorry, not. Is a particular addition. No, 100 is particular addition. 87,
Present, sir.
88,
Present, sir.
89,
Present, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91,
Present, sir. 91.
92,
Yes, sir.
93,
Present, sir. Present.
94,
Present, sir.
95,
95 present, sir.
96,
Present, sir.
97, 98,
Present, sir.
99,
Present, sir.
100, 101,
Present, sir.
102,
Present, sir.
103,
Present, sir.
104, 105, 105, 106,
Present, sir.
107,
Present, sir.
108,
Present, sir.
109,
Present, sir.
111,
Sir, 110.
112.
He's present, he is having some connection issues.
Okay.
The 110.
113.
Present, sir.
Okay. 114.
Present, sir.
114 is last number, I think so. Any one new newcomers are there? No. Then what is 115? What is your number, Sir Alan?
Sir, minus 4.
114 now. No, 4 I'm not calling. Now 5401 series I will call. Now 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6, 7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11, 11. That 5401 series 11. 12,
6 present, sir.
11, 12, 13,
13 present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21, 21 not there. 22,
Present, sir.
23, 24, 24,
24 present, sir. Sorry.
25, 26, 26,
Sir.
okay, 27,
Present, sir.
28, 28, daily continue.
Present, sir.
See, in 2000 series, 76, 77, 86,
Sir,
97,
25
100,
present.
104, 105. 5000 series, 11, 12, 21, 23, 24, 25, 27.
Sir, 24 present.
Sir, 12 present, sir.
12 present, not 112, just 12.
25 present, sir.
20?
5.
When I call you, what are you doing, sir?
Sir, I was
Yes,
attending
I
the
can't
class only. I
actually.
was answering my father. That is all. I was talking to my father.
So you are not here actually, you are not at any class then.
No, I am attending class, but at the moment when you were asking for you were taking
But
attendance, at the moment I
you
was
should be
answering my
here
father.
from 12:30 to 2:15. You are miking. Nobody, no talking. It's only maths only. Okay, yeah. Clear?
Yeah, sorry, sir.
Okay, done. What is your number?
25.
Okay, acha. Then anyone?
Sir, 06 present, sir.
06. Yeah, straight yeah. 11.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you extend the deadline till Monday? Because on Sunday we have 2 assignment submission.
Hey, already completed, already so many days are there. You will see, by Monday you can complete as you will see. But the last date I will fix Sunday night. You want Monday, but nobody is asking. Somebody complete, I think so. Okay, can do, we'll see.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you can leave all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Start the close.